Hey, what's up, guys? It's Guz here. As you guys, some of you guys know that we've gotten into sailing, and we have a big trip coming up. Fingers are crossed that we can pass our COVID test. So this trip has been planned out for over a year and a half. We've been doing some prepping. I'm going to show you guys right here. Sorry, garage is a little bit messy, but we're taking one of our paddle boards with us. Well, we're going to take our snorkeling gear and that kind of stuff, even though they do have some snorkeling gear that you can rent over there or use. So that's kind of it for now. I'm going to try to put some videos together as we move forward through the week. And like I said, fingers crossed, we'll be out of here and headed to the beautiful British Virgin Islands for the first time in our little sailing career. March 4th, we made it.
Playing Wordle. I have one more guess.
All right, we made it. We are at Mafali Hotel, and this is the view from our room, Charlotte Amalie Bay. But not bad, not bad. All right, let's watch Braden here make the next move in Jenga.
Yo. So go for that one.
Oh. Wow. Really? Really? That's pretty slick. Look at this. Look how smooth this is. Watch this. Yeah. See? No stress. No stress, man.
I'll do this one. Brain.
Guys, when did it...
Wait. I'm gonna get this one. This is
All of a sudden, Liam's interested. Oh. Oh, man.
Want me to film you?
Stop touching it.
I'm not touching it.
Oh wow.
No.
Yeah?
Oh, but will it fall? But will it fall?
Will it fall though?
Yeah, no, that's not timber.
It won't. Oh, too easy. Too easy.
Eventually, it's gonna be like you see this pattern. It's gonna be all
I fell. No, stop. Well, that thing is
almost had it. Look at this. It's just a little too much pressure. Here's Liam being obnoxious. He's about to knock the whole thing down. Oh, he's so lucky. You're so lucky. That's... What? What? This guy. Engineer over here. It's going down.
I'm holding it up.
If you manage to pull this off, oh please. Good morning from St. Thomas, USVI. Hey, what's up everybody? We're just getting set. We're here at the Maffoli Hotel. We're gonna get picked up here in about 15 minutes or so. And then I guess we're going to Red Hook Marina where we will jump on our water taxi and bring us over to the British Virgin Islands, the BVI's, where we're gonna pick up our boat and head out from there. I mean, this is just beautiful. Look at that. Not bad of a view to wake up. We'll bring you more a little bit later. Take care. Little squall coming through.
Yeah.
We're riding with Edwin.
Hey guys.
He's undercover one mark.
Walmart, yes.
Emergency services.
All right.
We just finished our grocery shopping for the trip, and
All right.
then we're gonna get on Chilli and head out.
I'm blessed and happy here in the island. It's good thing in the island, guys. It's really safe for tourist industry. It's really safe. You can walk around without doubt, even the night, in the middle of the night. Not only Tortola, all over in the island.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm so happy to glad to see that. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
You're most welcome, guys.
There's Pelican Island, and then we got the Indians right there. It's hard to see on the phone, but the Indians. All right, so we made it. We are at Norman Island. Is that where we are?
I think. Or
Norman
is
Island
it?
at the Bite, Pirates Bite, and that is the sunset we get to enjoy for the next couple of minutes. I can tell you that we have two excellent dinghy captains on board.
Scary.
They are going to be just great to have. We can't see it right now, but if I walk up front, I might be able to show you Willie T's. Oh, yep, there's Willie T's. It's probably really small in the video, but we're gonna go over there later and get a painkiller. And then this is our mooring
ball.
and we actually got it on our first attempt, which we're very proud of. First attempt, the first mooring ball that we went to did not have a mooring line. So Liam is saying second, but really it's the first one. That's what I'm going with. All right. Anyways, this is like a dream come true. The fact that we're actually here during this COVID times. We had to jump through a few hoops, but we made it. So Reagan is downstairs. She's cooking up some dinner, and yeah. Anyways, super excited. Later. Hon, what you doing?
Cooking some pasta, waiting for bread.
It's looking good. That looks and smells delicious. So this is our I say ours, it's ours for the week. It's Beneteau, 31 foot, and her name is Chilli. There's the V-berth where Reagan and I will be, and then we have the quarter berth in the back by the stern where the boys will be. That's where Braden's hanging out right now. And up here is where it's just amazing. Liam.
Hello.
So we're over by Willie T's at Norman Island, Pirate's Bite or Pirate Bite. It's pretty busy, lots of people around. It was a little bit of an adventure finding a mooring ball, but then once we found one with a rope, with an actual line, we were able to hook onto it on our first attempt. But yeah, this place is just beautiful. Good morning. We are at Norman Island after our first night on the boat. There's a little bit of a system going through and a rainbow disappeared.
We should go to the end of it. Okay, let's see.
That's pretty cool. It's been very windy.
I feel it's turning us towards the rain. Come on, Chilli.
And very choppy. Where are we going?
Willie T. Willie T.
We're going to Willie T's! The famous Willie T's!
Willie.
BVI National Park. The painkiller. It's not bad. Brandon, take the dive right where it says no jumping, no diving. Alright? Nice job, B.